Hello children. Children, as I have already explained you the comparison of adjectives, now we are going to start with the book exercises of this lesson. So take out page number 45 of your English grammar books. Let's start with exercise A. Write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. You can use a dictionary for your help. Now children, as I have already explained you each and every step, each and every rule of how to form the comparative and superlative degrees. So here we are simply going to write the answers. Like the first one is able. The word is ending with E. So when a positive word ends with E, in the comparative degree we add R and in the superlative degree we add ST. So abler, ablest. Bright, the word is ending with a consonant, we will add ER and EST. Brighter, brightest. Number 3 is cold. Here again the word is ending with a consonant, we will add ER and EST. Colder, coldest. Number 4, safe. The word is ending with E, so we will add R and ST. Safer, safest. Fine. Here again it is ending with E, so we will add R for comparative and ST for superlative. Finer, finest. Number 6 is gay. This word is ending with Y and there is a vowel before Y, so we will add ER in comparative and EST in superlative degree. Gayer, gayest. Now here the 7th one is idle. More idle, most idle. As I have already explained you the rule regarding this. Next is 8th is jolly. The word is ending with Y. Before Y, L is there, consonant. So IER in the comparative degree and IEST in the superlative degree will be added. Jollier, jolliest. Now move on to page number 46. Fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of adjectives. The first one is Burj Khalifa is the dash building in the world. Children, here some adjectives are given in the brackets and we have to fill in the correct degree of adjective according to the sentence. The answer is tallest. Means Burj Khalifa is the tallest. Means Burj Khalifa is being compared to all the buildings of the world. So the superlative form of degree will come. The superlative degree will come. Second is he has dash money than his friend. Little, less. Less is the comparative degree of little. Third is Mount Everest is the dash peak of the world. Again Mount Everest is being compared to all the other mountain peaks of the world. So the superlative degree will come here, highest. Number 4 is gold is dash than silver. Here two things are being compared. Expensive, more expensive. Then number 5 is your painting is dash than your friends. Good, better. The comparative degree of good will be better. Then number 6 is the Ganga is the dash river of India. Longest. Number 7, Kavita is a dash student, intelligent. Here Kavita is not being compared to anyone. No comparison is being made. So that's why the positive degree which is given in the bracket, the same degree will come here in the blank. Then number 8, Mumbai is the dash city of India. Big, biggest. Then number 9, this is a bad habit. Bad is given. Habit, this habit is not being compared to any other habit. So no comparison is being made in this sentence. Again, the same positive degree will come here in the blank. Then number 10 is Ramesh is dash than his friend. Active means more active. Now let's move on to question number C. Underline the correct adjective form given in the brackets in each sentence. Number 1 is this dictionary is informative or more informative or most informative than that dictionary. Here two dictionaries are being compared, so comparative degree will be the correct answer, more informative. Second is the fox is a cleverer, cleverest animal. Here only we are talking about one animal, so clever will be the answer. Number 3 is January is the colder or coldest month of the winter season. Here the month of January is being compared to all the other months of the year. So coldest, the superlative degree will be there. Coldest is the answer. Number 4, Mohan is very slower or slowest in his walking. Here no comparison is being made in the sentence. So the positive degree, that is slow, will be the answer. Number 5, she is more tall or taller or tallest than her sister. Means two persons are being compared. So the comparative degree will be the answer, taller. Then number 6, Sumit is the younger or youngest of the three. Here, Sumit is being compared among three persons. So, superlative degree will be the answer, that is youngest. Then number 7, Ramesh is fatter or fattest than Mahesh. Two people are being compared, then comparative degree means fatter is the answer. Number 8, this dish is the delicious, more delicious or most delicious in the menu. Menu contains so many dishes. So, most delicious, that is superlative degree is the answer. Number 9 is it is hotter or hottest today than it was yesterday. Means 2 days are being compared. Today and yesterday. So comparative degree, that is hotter will be the answer. The last one is number 10. Who is the good, better, best runner, Ravi or Amit? Here again 2 people are being compared. So again comparative degree, that is better will be the correct answer. So children, this was all there regarding the book exercises of this lesson. Now take out your English 1 copies. Take out a new page. On a new page, write the date on the left side of the margin. Write lesson 9 on the first line. Name of the lesson, comparison of adjectives on the second line. Then question number 1 is name the 3 degrees of comparison. The answer is first positive degree. Examples are tall, old. Second is comparative degree. Examples are taller, older. The third is superlative degree. Examples are tallest, oldest. So children, this was all there regarding this lesson. Thank you.